everyone, we're here at Prom 2023. That's Rain right there. Hey, say something to the vlog.
I love live.
We're celebrating. Not much to see here, but there's people, both sides, you know. Yeah. I'll update, future updates, whatever, whenever I pick it up. Take a nice spin.
What a gown this will be. Bibbidi-bobbidi, bibbidi-bobbidi, bibbidi-bobbidi. Why, it's like a dream. A wonderful dream come true.
Twenty minutes later.
We're here at the end of the night. I'm just here. Me, myself, and I. Solo ride until I die. I'm kidding now. Yeah, goodbye. As close as I will ever get to riches. Okay, now I've gotta go because the security is watching.
Later that same evening. Let me just give you guys a song. Quick song after prom. Let's see where it goes. I don't know how to play any chords for any songs, but I'll try. What's a good song? I don't know which guitar plays, but oye mi amor, vamos juntando las manos. The night has come. Oh yeah. What's the song about? The Prince Royce song. I don't remember. Aunque me miras cara de hermoso or something. También me completo con las cosas pequeñas. No, it's not the one. Junto a mí. No, I can't. Tenga cara de bonito, yo también mismo me compré todas las cosas. I can't think of it. Hold up. Maybe it's actually low.
One eternity later.
No. I with Corazón Sin Cara. Why did I think it was a different song? That we will never know. Corazón no tiene cara. I fucking love this song. But I can't remember the lyrics. I just blanked out. Sorry. I love you, Prince Royce. So please. Invite me to your concert, please. I promise I'll remember it then. Like if I play it, I'll know it. You know what I'm saying? I pull it up. I think this might be the debut. Hold on 1 minute. Of you'll see. I'll bring you along later. You'll see in a second. Let me just quickly go get it.
12 seconds later.
Oh my god, I'm so tired. Should be vlogging. What time is it? 11 something.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
10 seconds later.
The lashes are off. Time to wipe it off.
My eyelashes are too big. Damn it. Shit.
Oh my god, why am I so white? I guess it's normal. Where are the lips already? Because I do not like lips for, well, all of my lips, honestly. I just hate eating with lipstick on. Especially when I don't like sticky, like, things on my lips. Let me rephrase that. I don't like sticky lip gloss products. I'm actually gonna post this. We shall see. Let me become a beauty guru. People look without makeup. Like the people like always wear makeup and then they're like, oh my god with makeup she looks 27 but she's actually 53.
They're gonna be jealous when we're 50 and we look 35.
You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I feel like, oh my god, why is this so black? It's just, I can't really process. So hey y'all, you're gonna, blend in. Make sure everything's blended in.
Felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a Ken. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty.